If you run into Lawrence Taylor these days, you're pretty sure to see a few things. Flip-flops on his feet, a cigar in his hand, and somewhere nearby, a man named Dino Kiriakou.
What would my life be without Taylor? I don't know. No, I really don't know. I don't think I could ever imagine that. How's that? I think we're inseparable. Like, anywhere he goes, I'm there.
Oh my God.
Well, you're betting on the kid. The first time I met him. That's a famous question anyway. I mean, everybody asks that stupid question, but I'll tell you how we met.
Yeah, he told you a story. I won't tell you that story. I can't tell you that story. I'm surprised he tells that story with a smile on his face. Hey.
I just started playing golf. And I went to the golf course, and the starter says, "Hey, Dino, how you doing?" He knew me, blah, blah, blah. He goes, "Listen." He goes, "Why don't you play with LT? He's looking to play with someone." I said, "I don't want to play with nobody. Please, I just want to go out and practice. I ain't that good." Okay, he talked me into it. LT comes over. He introduced us. We go to the first hole. Right away, LT turns around. Taylor says to me, "How much you want to play?" "We play $50 a hole." I said, "What, are you kidding me?" I said, "I don't even know you. You want to play $50 a hole? You nuts?" After 8 holes, this guy didn't even talk to me. I lost every hole. Every hole I lost. I ain't gonna lose no $1,000 here, I said to myself. So I'm thinking, how can I break this guy's concentration? I said, you know what? I don't care who he is. I don't care, how mean he is or how they... And I said, you know what? I said, there's nobody on this golf course right now. I said, why don't we go into the woods over here in the 10th hole? It's nice and private. I said, I never had a black man before. He turned around and looked at me like, are you kidding me? He got up to the next hole. He put the ball in the ground. He hit the ball out of bounds. He hits it again. Another one out of bounds. He looked at me. I was laughing so hard. Once he knew I was full of shit, he turned around. He loved me. He said, let's play golf tomorrow. And that's how we ended up as best friends.
Hey, he is truly my best friend, and we've been together for a long time.